Hi, Deadlock's here again, and today we're doing a challenge that was suggested by Michael Lyth, which was to play KerPlunk with our dominant hands handcuffed together.
Can see your hand there, like,
our not dominant hand in mittens with round shaped
spherical chocolate.
Yeah, spherical chocolate like Maltesers in the KerPlunk. The person who drops them, the other person has to eat them, but the other person has to eat them not using the hands.
It's gonna be fun.
I think we've got all that right. You did say do a thing with a lock, with putting a lock in there as well. We opted not to do that because I don't have any locks clean enough for me to want to put with something I'm going to eat. So sorry about that. This is pretty close though. Who's going first?
Me. You're gonna have to hold the top of I got two! You have to pull two now. Here, I'm gonna have to twist it.
Right.
No, yeah, it's gonna stay on my side, yeah. Remember using mitten hands to unlock it, or
it's mitten hands to take the things out.
Oh, I cheated then.
We'll let it slide.
Got a movement. We're going to do this. We're going to twist the bottom instead.
Because you're going to be eating them if I drop it anyway. So
yeah, whatever. How are we going to get them? Like,
well, you're not allowed to use your hands. You have to. Could
no.
No.
You moved it though. I don't know if the camera can see what I'm doing.
Nope, the camera angle is rubbish.
Well, hold the camera then while we're doing it. I don't know how to do it with the camera.
I can't hold the camera and hold this to stop
I'll
it from
hold
falling
that. You
over.
hold the camera. I'll hold this.
Yeah, this
is hard.
Michael Lyth and the Impossible Challenge. Just get your mouth in there, man.
I don't want to lose my eyeballs.
You got glasses on, it's fine.
It's too far away. It's too far away, but like... Ow! That really hurt. I can't move it. Like, I'm going to lose an eye if I do it this way. Can't even get them. We need to stop moving them. She's shocked on it.
Yeah, sucking them into your mouth probably isn't the wisest thing to do.
It's the only thing I can do.
Okay. So, yeah, I think holding the camera is going to have to happen because we've like.
Well, if we've got them handcuffed, we can do it that way.
Okay, so you're pulling the thing out now.
Yeah.
You're not looking at the thing though. Yeah.
You do the camera then. Stop being a whinge. I couldn't even get a hold of one of the sticks. Oh. Yeah, get them all there. Oh, careful.
I don't want to do that.
Use a stick and pling it out. It's just... Still got another one to go.
Orange.
Orange. I think everything tastes orangey.
Favorite.
Orange isn't your favourite? You hate orange? The flat ones are hard.
That hurt my nose. Yeah, we'll put some Rebels in here. Like,
because Mr. Deadlock's thought that he was going to catch me out on one. I'll hold it because you're pulling the stick. Oh, oh, oh.
I'm supposed to fix that. That's how you fix it.
Cheating. Ah! That fell after the time. The thing is, though, every time I pick it up, it's more going to come out. Oh, toffee.
Oh, I like the toffee.
Oh, I'm not one out. My teeth. I don't mind the toffee. It's my teeth, though. I can't even get a good shot.
Oh, coffee. I like coffee.
I'm still chewing the toffee one.
Look at all that dribble in there.
Lovely.
Yeah. My turn.
Oh.
I'll pull it
Oh, yeah, it's your temple thing. Paul. Right. No. I go hold the camera. I don't even know if the camera's getting anything. Yeah. Ooh. I apologise for this videoing. It's going to be rubbish. What was that
There's
one?
the fudge ones.
Like toffee, yeah.
It's not chewy though.
Raisin. There's a raisin one. Look at here, it's like... Right, put your hand on the top.
Yeah, I apologise.
Oh no, it's you. It's you.
Yeah.
For me, yeah. Yeah.
I apologise for the rubbish camera views and stuff.
That was a giant raisin. That was made for you.
That you're going in with your mouth there.
I was hoping more was going to flop out there. You need the camera.
My nose is too big.
Just get a view of your hair there. Oh, oh, it's yours too. Malteser.
Yeah.
Be holding your pulling.
Wow.
This camera is like ridiculously bad. No cheating! No cheating! Ready? I think I'm losing because I want more chocolate. What are you doing? They sounded like all Maltesers. It's me holding your pulling. Oh, this isn't fair. I want chocolate. Oh, they're all getting stuck now. Look, oh, look at the giant one. That's cheating. Can't get it out. No, what are you doing to my chocolates? My chocolates. You can have the camera. Oh. Oh. I don't like them ones, the big one. That was two toffee ones. I can't do the toffee ones. I hate her brace. Coffee and orange don't go nice together. Yeah, my chocolate. Oh. 2 coffees. I feel like a cow just sitting in here like, what goodness.
Yeah, I made this turn last too long by giving it a shake.
Yep. Get off my chocolate. My chocolate. Oh. Everywhere. I think I've had too much chocolate. That's for you. Oh, all for you. Off you go. I had no hands.
My hands aren't touching the chocolate.
Hands on the table. I don't even know who's won this game. Mulling.
I feel like a winner. Is this what happens when you'll do anything for the internet to like you?
What? Hi, it's Jen. Are those sloppy and horrible? That's the last time I steal chocolate from you. They're all like wet.
Yep.
Can't even lick the get your hands out! Malfoney! Why are you taking your glove off?
Because I think we're done now.
No, there's still a few chocolates in there.
Not anymore.
Oh. I got toffee again. Mine. This was a good game.
Yeah, I have no idea who won.
I don't care. I got chocolate.
Should we call that the second draw of Sunday challenges?
Yep.
What's the camera actually biting at?
The glove.
Oh.
Now chocolate.
So yeah.
Good thing that I live with you and, like, you know, I'm used to your saliva. Because,
That's gross.
well, I am. I kissed you. Weirdo.
Anyway, that was suggested by Michael Lyth.
Last one.
Yeah, it's covered in spit. I don't want it.
It's yours, spit.
Yeah, I still don't want it.
Gotta eat it.
No.
If you don't eat it, I win.
No,
If you don't eat it, I win.
That's all from us. See you next time.
I win! Didn't eat it, I win. I need my hand back. Can I have my hand back, please?
No.
But I need my hand back to turn the camera off. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes! Good!
Language, Timothy. Jeebus. Oh my goodness.
I've been trying to get that open for so long.